Hello, my name is Aniran Paul, and this is my project, From Fumes to Fertilizer, a dual-stage catalytic system converting livestock methane into carbonate for sustainable crop growth. Methane emissions pose a serious threat to our climate. More information is shown here. To combat this problem, my project proposes a system where ambient farm air is first intaken and then filtered using fans and MERV filters, and then compressed and regulated to 2 atmospheres in order for the next 2 stages of partial and complete oxidation, where methane is oxidized into methanol and then subsequently into carbon dioxide. And these oxidation stages are facilitated using catalysts which speed up the process, and that those catalysts are determined either through available literature or through research. The oxidation occurs because of heating coils that bring the air to 300 degrees Celsius. The resulting carbon dioxide is then neutralized into a calcium hydroxide solution and then dehydrated to form the calcium carbonate that is a fertilizer additive and promotes plant growth. All of the work I did beyond the system was done in order to support aspects such as the benefits of the outcome and the specific catalyst to use. These are my research objective and experimental question. My research was conducted at the University of Connecticut and the Institute of Materials Science, where along with a PhD student, I synthesized 3 D-block metal oxides, titanium dioxide, manganese dioxide, and zirconium dioxide, and tested them using BET analysis and BJH, along with SEM and XRD testing. Here are some of the lab findings that were received from UConn, including an XRD, SEM, and BET image. There were 12 total tests collected. I also conducted an at-home experiment which tested the effect of different amounts and the state of carbonate on soil nutrients and plant growth, and this was done using radishes, which are very susceptible to changes in soil. Here are some of my experimental findings. The right side shows all of the quantitative data that I collected, and the left shows the statistical analysis in comparison to a model of my soil pH along with a radish height graph. My study conclusions were the main pieces of information that I extracted. In my research, I found that the manganese dioxide was the most effective, and for my experiment, I found that the 0.3 grams of solid carbonate was the most effective and supported plant growth. These are some of the future plans that I have for my project, with a reactor currently being built at UConn IMS. Thank you and bye-bye.